for today's video, guys. Another unboxing time. So, nag-order tayo, guys, sa TikTok shop ng body wash. Yes. Ang SRP niya, guys, is 389 pesos, guys. Kasama na po yung shipping fee, guys. So, tara, guys. Open na natin. As you can see naman, guys, nakabalot naman siya, diba? And then, naka-bubble wrap siya, guys. Tingnan naman natin. Talagang balot na balot, guys. Talagang pinanan ni seller. Kailan ka tayong gunting. Ayan, guys, so, retinol plus gluta body wash. And then, 1,000 grams na siya. Ang expire niya, guys, is December 14, 2027. Diba, guys? Ang ganda. Tingnan natin kung mabango ba. Ayan. Balik ni seller, guys. Sa gustong mga pumuti dyan, guys, try natin. Ito kung maganda talaga. Try natin. Bango niya, guys. Mamaya matitry na natin. So, guys, if you like my video, guys, don't forget to subscribe, like and share to your friends. See you in my next vlog, guys. God bless you all. Thank you.
I got so much motherfucking design on right now.